So just enjoy the game and give your best. Okay. At the end of the tournament, your team will be getting a trophy, winning trophy, and I already told you, you'll get a most valuable player and best batsman and best bowler of the whole 3 matches. Okay, there will be 3 matches, and 2 will be league and 1 will be finals. The first 2 leagues will be today, and tomorrow will be third league, and there will be a finals. Okay, so if every team wins only one match, for example, you are winning one, you are winning one, you are winning one. In that case, it's equal points. In that case, I'll be watching your run rates of your matches. Trying to conduct the mock tournament of Cricket Blast. This is a Cricket Blast rules by Japan Cricket Association. Okay, so it should be a complete same rules as Cricket Blast. There's no difference in it. Whatever seniors know already about Cricket Blast, just teach your youngsters, teach your younger one, junior one, and just advise them.
Heads. Heads.
Heads.
Whose corner is this?
This.
Okay.
Batting. Aditya. Adi.
The match starts. First ball.
Match started.
Ball again. First ball.
Nice. Good running. Over.
before announcing the result, I'll let you know something, okay? If you lose one game, nothing is going to happen. Because losing one game is okay. It's not a problem. Still, you can go for the finals, okay? That is the first point. First point, if you lose in one game, don't get disordered. And still, you get a chance. One more league is there. You need to take a little bit more higher run rate. You cannot win just like that. You have to win with much bigger margins. Then you have a chance to go for the finals, okay? And second thing is, you had 6 players already playing in this game. And second round, you have to give the chances to those who are sitting, okay? You need to rotate the player because we have all 7 players in each group, and you need to give the chance for the next player, and you can rest those who had not, I don't say not performed, low performed in the previous innings. You can rest them and bring the other one back, okay? And now the scorer will announce the score.
Okay, so first AQCC Lions have batted and they scored 29 runs. They got 1 wicket, they lost 1 wicket. Okay, so total score was 29. After that, I think in that the best batsman who has done the good batting, I think Aditya, he has scored almost 13 runs, Aditya. And the opposite side, AQCC Jumbo, Snehanshu has taken the 1 wicket, okay, from other side. While batting, AQCC Jumbo, while batting, they have scored almost 52 runs. But they lost 1 wicket, so other team got 5 more, so they gone to 34.
Okay.
And okay, from bowling side, 1 wicket was taken by Shakti, so they got 5 points.
Okay.
So AQCC Jumbo's total score was 52, so it's 34 versus 52.
Okay, so the
winner is AQCC Jumbo.
Okay, winner is AQCC Jumbo.
Congratulations!
And again, every catch will take 2 points, and every run out will take 2 points. Every wicket will take 4 points. Every 6 or every 6 runs will take 4 points. Okay. So we will evaluate the best batsman, best bowler, and best fielding points.
Come on! Wait!
before announcing the score, I'll let you know something. Okay?
Game
See, you already lost one game. When you are playing for the second game, you should win for your life. No, you should play for your life. You're not giving your die hard. You're not giving your best. I know what Manit can do. I know what Aditya can do. I know what Shreyan can do. But I don't think this is your best. Whatever you have done in the second game, is it your best? You just played very casually because you already lost one. You are winning for the. You are playing for your life. Then you should give your best, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay. And Manit, are you okay about your captainship? Whatever you did. Why? Captain should be so dynamic, and you should be keep watching everyone, and you should be aware of what others are doing. Did you do that today? Okay. Even I don't appreciate Jashwant also. What you have done as a captain is not good. Have you done a proper role of your captainship? You are not watching anyone. You are just bowling and coming back to your position. You are not watching others. Is it a way of a captain? Okay. So, scorer please.
Okay, well played both the teams. ACC Dinos, who has batted first, they have scored almost 48 runs.
Oh, good.
So very nice batting from their side. Just one scored almost 14 runs.
Oh, good. Jashwant
And,
will get 4 points.
And there was no wicket taken from other side. So it was 48. Then AQCC Lions, while batting, they scored 36 runs.
Oh,
They lost almost 3 wickets.
okay.
So Arav took 1 wicket from
Oh, nice bowling.
from
Arav will
bowling
get
side.
4 points.
Then
Ishan.
Ishan took 1 wicket and Vanish took 1 wicket.
Ishan will get 4
Yeah.
points and Manoj will get 4 points.
So AQCC Dinos has won scored almost 63 runs in total because
Oh.
they got 3
Okay, what's the
wickets
difference?
also, and I think almost difference of 30 runs.
Okay.
So they almost won
Congratulations.
by a good margin.
Nice play.
Nice.
Well played. So tomorrow we'll have 2 leagues. First one is AQCC Jumbos versus AQCC Dinos, and then finals. Okay.